In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Ghibli-style art using Chatgpt AI for free. Ghibli art is renowned for its enchanting, picturesque style that has captured the hearts of many animation fans around the world. And now you can create your very own Ghibli-inspired images with some simple steps. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open up your web browser and head over to Google. This is your starting point for accessing ChatGPT, which is the AI tool we'll use to create those beautiful images. Once you're on the Google homepage, go ahead and type ChatGPT into the search bar and press Enter. This will direct you to various links related to ChatGPT. Next, look for the official ChatGPT website from the search results and click on it. It's important to ensure that you're navigating to the correct site, so keep an eye out for official links or logos that indicate you're in the right place. Once the site is loaded, you'll find yourself on a platform that's ready to assist you in generating amazing art. From here, you'll see a plus sign, which indicates the option to upload a photo. Click on this icon to select an image that you want to transform into Ghibli art. This image is the canvas that the AI will work its magic on, so choose something that you think will suit the Ghibli style. It might be helpful to think about elements from nature, whimsical settings, or characters with imaginative features, as these are all trademarks of Ghibli films. Once you have uploaded your image, the next step involves creating a prompt. This prompt is essentially a set of instructions or themes that guides the AI in generating the desired style. You might want to include specific features you admire in Ghibli art, such as vibrant landscapes, dreamy color palettes, or even fantastical elements like floating islands or mysterious creatures. Be as specific as you like, as this will help the AI capture your vision more accurately. After crafting your prompt, click on the Submit button. This action sends your image and instructions to the AI, which will process and begin transforming it according to the guidance you've provided. Finally, with a bit of patience, your Ghibli-style image will be ready. The process may take a short time, so sit back and let the AI work its wonders. Once complete, admire your newly created artwork that beautifully represents the charming world of Ghibli. Share it with friends, or keep it as a personal piece of artistic achievement. And there you have it, a simple way to create Ghibli-style art using Chatgpt AI for free. Enjoy the creative process and let your imagination run wild.